So this is a very beautiful velvet shrug. It has a अरे यार सारी हॉर्न आज ही बजनी है. Namaste everyone, welcome back. Please don't mind the banging noises at the background. There is some construction work going around my house, so we'll just ignore that. So this is going to be a pretty interesting haul video. I'm going to show you guys different products that I ordered from different websites, from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio. So this is not going to be a haul wherein I will show you guys products from a particular website. Now with that very long introduction and talking out of the way, let's just quickly jump in. The first and the only product which is not a clothing item in this haul is this really nice and beautiful Van Heusen satchel. Now I really liked this bag as soon as I saw it on the website. This is from Amazon, by the way. So as soon as I saw this on the website, I instantly fell in love because I absolutely love this rectangular trapezium like detailing here on the top. And you can also use this satchel, you can also hang this satchel on your shoulder using these long straps that this has provided. So yeah, this is overall a really nice purchase, very good quality. I don't think the material that we have here is going to peel off anytime soon. You guys would have seen me spot this bag in so many of my videos. This is literally the only bag that I use, probably because I think that black goes with everything, and this is the reason why I got this one as well. I do not remember how much I got this one for, so I will be leaving all of the details in the description box as well as the screen, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, overall a really nice purchase. I think I have gotten it a little dirty from here. I'll have to clean it up. So yeah, this was my first purchase. Next up, I got myself two kurta sets. One is from Myntra and the other one is from Ajio, and both of them are so beautiful. I just take this off from the hanger first. This is the kurta. It's pretty plain, but I really love the golden kind of print going all around the kurta. It's very good quality. This one is from Myntra and the brand is Libas. I got this one in size medium. It's a tad bit loose on me, but I think if I get it altered, it'll be just fine. The quality is really nice on this one. So this is the palazzo that came along with it. Let me just open it and show you guys. It has a beautiful golden print going all over. I think you guys would have seen me styling this palazzo in one of my older videos, which was my Diwali outfit video. Yes, if you haven't watched it, I'm going to be linking it over here. And I styled this palazzo in that video with a dupatta that I wore as a blouse, and it was such a beautiful outfit. I received so many compliments on that outfit, so if you haven't watched that video, do check it out. Overall, highly recommend Libas as a brand. Overall, they also have some really nice and amazing collection of kurta as well as kurta sets, so do check them out on Myntra, and they're also available on Flipkart. Next, we have an extremely beautiful and gorgeous piece from a brand called Avasa. This one is from Ajio. So this is basically an anarkali kurta with two layers over here, as you guys can see. So this one inside is the first layer, and the second layer over here falls on top like this. It looks extremely beautiful, and it's actually also super appropriate for heavy duty functions like mehendi, sangeets, weddings, engagements, where you are expected to dress up a little OTT. So I think this is a perfect option for that, and the print all over is golden. It's not something that would come off after 2 or 3 washes. This is very, very good quality, and it also comes with a plain palazzo like this. It literally only has this lace here at the border, but I think that's absolutely fine because the kurta itself, it reaches almost to my ankle, so there would be no point in having a really fancy and printed palazzo for this one because it would eventually not show anyway. My mom also wore this kurta to I think an engagement function, and she received so many compliments on this one kurta. If you guys really want some affordable party wear options, then you can definitely check this out. I absolutely love this one. Guys, I realized while editing the video that I unfortunately lost the footage of me talking about this pre-draped sari that I recently got. So this one right here I got from a local store in my city, but I'll be linking similar options in the description box for you guys to get your hands on. Now in terms of quality, I'd give it a total 10 on 10 because I love the way it falls on the body and gives such a beautiful and flattering silhouette. Actually, this is something that I love about saris like this in general. They complement every body type and shape and are super easy to drape at the same time because the pleats and everything are already stitched together. together in place. The blouse that came along with it is also really blingy and shiny, so that is also something that I've always been a fan of. By the way, I recently also did a video styling the same sari in 5 different ways and you guys loved it so much. Thank you. It's one of my top performing videos actually. So if you guys also want to get an idea about how you can style such saris, if you do get one for yourself, do check that video out. Next, I have a very different and beautiful kind of kurta shrug, whatever you guys want to call it. This again is from the brand Avasa, and I think I really like their products. They are very reasonably priced, and the quality, the product that you get, it's worth so much more. So this is a velvet shrug slash kurta, whatever you guys want to call it, and it has a very luxurious feel to it, obviously because the material is velvet. Now this one I actually got from Reliance Trends, so I am not sure if this will be available on the Ajio website. However, I will try to find it on the website and link it in the description box if I can find it. My sister also spotted this in one of the weddings that we attended in December 2020. Now this is one of those pieces that looks so subtle when worn, but it also has a very luxurious appearance and feel to it. This would look so good. It would actually bring your entire outfit together, because usually shrugs are very lightweight, and something like this is actually going to amp up your outfit by 100-fold. Overall, an incredible purchase. I think this is one of the best pieces that I own in my wardrobe. So yes, if you guys find something similar, definitely invest in those and you will see how much of a difference it makes to your overall outfit. Alright, so we are done with Indian kurtas and Indian wear. Next up, we are going to move to loungewear. Now, the reason why I had to invest in a ton of loungewear was because I came back home with literally 3 days worth of clothing when the lockdown happened, and ever since, it's been 10 months, I haven't had a chance to go back. And when the winters hit, I literally had nothing else to wear except shorts and a few t-shirts. So I thought that it was high time I invested in some sweatshirts and some pajamas to keep myself warm. So this is the first one that I have. This is from Ajio, from a brand called Triptych. Now these are basically cotton pajamas. I never really have invested in cotton pajamas in my life, mostly because I prefer wearing joggers or track pants. This was the first time when I invested in a cotton pajama, and I am kind of on the fence with this one. It has a really cute print going all over, which is the reason why I invested in this one. But the only problem with this is that when you wear this for an entire day, it kind of forms the shape of your knees over here. Hindi में बोलते हैं कि इनमें घुटने बन जाते हैं, तो इनमें घुटने बन जाते हैं. That's the only problem, which is probably the reason why I always interested in track pants and joggers instead of cotton pajamas. So if you're somebody who likes cotton pajamas, I think Ajio is a great place to check cotton pajamas out. This is where I got it from, and overall quality wise, it's not bad, it's fair. But I think again with cotton pajamas, there's not a quality associated with it because the material has to be breathable. I should have invested in thicker pants considering it's freezing over here. So yes, this was my first cotton pajama purchase from Ajio. And next product that I have from Ajio, again in terms of pajamas, are these joggers right here. These in terms of quality are great. It is from a brand called Sugar, and my size is 30. Now these are extremely comfortable. The material is extremely soft. These are joggers, which is why I did not face the ghutne banne wali problem with these ones. Now do you see these tiny little I don't know, zip needles, the needles that I use to actually run the zip up and down? These needles are so, like, they pierce your hand literally. You can't just, shove your hand in your pocket just like that. They are going to cause bruising on your hands. They are so rough, so you have to be very careful and literally have to slide your hand like this. So that's the only con in this one. But if you are a little careful with putting your hand inside your pockets, I think these are a really nice and affordable purchase at the same time. The material also is comparatively thicker, obviously because these are joggers, and overall I think I really like these ones. Moving on to sweatshirts that I got myself from Flipkart again because it was getting really cold by the day and I really needed something to keep myself warm. This is the first sweatshirt that I have. This is from the brand Provoke. I love this pink detailing that's going on all over here on the shoulder, and you also have these tiny little pom-poms which look really cute. Now the material is thick enough to keep you warm if you throw a jacket on top of it. So you can pretty much wear this in places that have temperatures ranging from say 5 to 15 degrees Celsius. This is enough to keep you warm in those temperatures as well with a jacket. Like I said, Provoke lives up to its brand name at that, and if you're looking for affordable sweatshirts at that, then this is definitely something that you can give a go. The last sweatshirt and product in this haul is this really nice and bright yellow colored sweatshirt. It's from the brand Flying Machine. Now I thought that this would be a thicker sweatshirt that would keep me warm, but technically this is a wind cheater. So it's ideal for cities like Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, which are not so cold and you just need something to keep yourself cozy. This is a good option for that, but for extreme winters, this is not going to keep you warm at all. The sleeves also have this very interesting detailing over here, which is something that I really like, and the only reason why I did not return this sweatshirt and I decided to keep it was because I loved the color of it. Usually in winter collection you mostly only get shades like blacks, grays, browns and maybe a little bit of whites, but bright colors like this are not very prevalent even in the winter collection in the best of brands. Quality wise, again, very decent. The material is also not something that is going to cause any sort of irritation on your skin. I usually wear a size medium in most of the brands. However, with these two I had to size down, so both of these are size small. So if you are going for these ones, make sure that you size down because then it's going to be very baggy on you. And with that, we have reached the end of this haul video. Let me know how you guys like this haul video and if it was helpful and you guys were able to pick a few pieces for yourself here and there as well. Please don't forget to click that tiny little subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it, so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also comment down below if you guys are willing to get anything from all of these products that I showed to you guys. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. It's also very thick to keep you warm enough. I'm so hungry.